In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to transform any photo into a striking silhouette effect. It's a simple process that takes just a few minutes, so let's dive in. First, we'll head to the Elements section in the toolbar, where you can access all your design components. Browse through the available images and select the one you'd like to turn into a silhouette. With your image on the canvas, you'll want to open up the Edit Photo menu to access the photo editing tools. The Background Remover tool is essential here. It'll isolate your subject so the silhouette effect looks clean and professional. Now let's apply the Duotone effect from the Effects menu, which gives us the color control we need. Start by selecting Cherry as your Duotone preset. This gives us a good foundation to work from. Here's where the silhouette comes together. Set your highlights to black using the color picker. Do the same thing for the shadows. Switching them to black will complete that classic silhouette look. You can fine-tune the effect by adjusting the intensity slider until you get exactly the look you're going for. Position your silhouette wherever it works best in your design, and resize it to fit your composition. When everything looks perfect, hit the Share button to save your finished design. And there you have it. You've successfully created a professional silhouette effect. Feel free to try this technique with different images to see what works best for your projects.